We are all searching for greater happiness than we have right now, whether we are aware of this or not. There are two basic, most important needs that every person needs to have in order to feel peace and fulfillment in their life, in order to be truly happy, regardless of their circumstances. Our need for love and our need for truth. Neither of which originate from us, for if they did, then we would always have them inside of us, and obviously we do not. Everyone inherently knows, if they think about it, that we all need love in order to feel peace and fulfillment, in order to be truly happy. We need love even more than we want money, possessions, power, or fame, which is why there are rich CEOs who commit suicide, and why many rich and famous of Hollywood so frequently OD on drugs or commit suicide. But what many people don't know is that we also need truth, just as much as we need love, in order to feel peace and feel fulfilled, in order to be truly happy. But some say, no, I don't. The truth hurts. Or, ignorance is bliss. But the truth is that they think these are truths. Otherwise, they wouldn't want to believe them. So even with these false statements, it is proven that we all need the truth, but it has to be the objective truth. When we believe the truth hurts, or ignorance is bliss, then we actually don't want the truth and fail to have it. And that, not wanting and not knowing the truth, are what really causes hurt, causes stress, fears, insecurities, feeling offended, anger, all psychological suffering, lack of peace, and lack of fulfillment. Therefore, since love and truth are what make us feel peace and fulfillment in order to make us truly happy, then obviously not having them makes us emotionally suffer. So how do we get our bad emotional suffering permanently healed? All our emotional suffering caused for all these years by failing to have the love and truth that we need. And how do we always obtain the love and truth that we all need in order to feel peace and fulfillment, in order to be truly happy? At Theology of the Soul Psychology Institute, we have these answers. We will be working to bring you more free videos on YouTube and blog articles and handouts on our website. We also look forward to providing books for our university and seminary course, along with seminars and retreats on real psychology and permanent healing psychology. Theology of the Soul Psychology Institute teaches real psychology and the truth about how to become permanently free from all of our bad emotional suffering, while achieving peace and fulfillment in order to be truly happy, regardless of our circumstances. View our new website at theologyofthesoul.org. Until next time, I'm Catherine Miller de Bences, President and CEO of Theology of the Soul Psychology Institute, and I'll be praying for you.